to take the other, yung sa ICAD. Well, I cannot create an office. I do not have that power. It is only Congress who can create government positions. I cannot do it. Even if it is a delegated power to me in some of the laws. The rule is I cannot delegate what is delegated to me. I am a delegated authority, and I cannot delegate another authority based on the authority of my delegation in the first place. Ganon yan. So, kung tignan mo yung definition ng position dyan, and it says there about cooperation and all. Pero ang gusto ko sana, sa totoo lang, I mentioned it actually earlier, and I said that to give more teeth to her powers, so that maybe she can have her whatever she wants there. Sabi ko, as long as there is a security clearance from the government, from the military and the police, go ahead. Kasi sabi ko, cooperate. Sabi ko sa lahat ng police, you obey her. Ang problema kay Robredo is this. Right after she was appointed, she began talking publicly about inviting the Human Rights Commission. She was talking to the United Nations. She would want to talk to the European. At marami na siyang pinagsasabi. Kung ganon, sabi ko, I cannot appoint her as a cabinet member. If that is the way her mouth behaves, there can never be a position for her. Kasi kung cabinet member sana siya, upon the authority, because she would be an alter ego of me. Ang problema kasi dito, ganito, I cannot trust her. Not only because she is with the opposition. I do not trust her because I do not know her. Hindi ko alam kung sino ang kausap niya noon, kung sino mga politiko, o sino mga tao, probably, one of the biggest, the biggest actually of a drug manufacturing apparatus